Few things are more frustrating than troubleshooting faulty wiring, pneumatics, or hydraulics. Finding a specific component or tracing wiring failure through sheets of diagrams can be tedious and time-consuming. You need a smarter solution that helps you see through the clutter, simplify your search, and find answers more efficiently. Introducing ONEView from ONEIL & Associates. ONEView turns ordinary flat diagrams into extraordinary interactive schematics. Now finding components is easy. Every element of the schematic is easily traceable, including wiring, fuses, switches, valves, and connectors, even down to the individual pin. And you can view select elements in one sheet or across multiple sheets. Plus, additional important reference data like illustrations and video can be linked to each diagram, right down to the component level. Best of all, converting your flat diagrams into robust interactive schematics is automated, efficient, and highly cost-effective. The ONEView production suite saves hundreds of hours of painstaking labor. This is the most intelligent and interactive way to view schematics and wiring. This is ONEView, exclusively from ONEIL & Associates.